In this presentation, we will be comparing Mars and Earth. This presentation was created by Akash Madasetti.
In this slide, let's do some numerical comparison between the two planets. The distance between Sun and the Earth is 92 million miles, whereas the distance between the Sun and Mars is around 141 million miles. The mass of the Earth is 9.7 times 10 to the power of 21 kgs, kilograms, whereas the mass of the Mars is 639 times 10 to the power of 21 kilograms. The radius of the Earth is 3,900 miles, whereas the radius of the Mars is 2,100 miles. The gravity of the Earth, as you all know, the G of the Earth is 9.807 meters per second square, whereas that of Mars is 3.711 meters per second square. This indicates that it's around 2.7 times less G than Earth. The moons of the Earth are one, as we all know that, and whereas Mars have two moons, Phobos and Deimos. The age of the Earth is 4.54 billion years, whereas the Mars age is around 4.5 billion years. The orbital period, which is a year, an year for the Earth is 365 days, whereas for the Mars it is 687 days.
Here are some planet comparisons. The surface area of the Earth is 196 million square miles, whereas the surface area of Mars is 55 million square miles. The density of Earth is 5.51 grams per centimeter cubed, whereas the density of Mars is 3.93 grams per centimeter cubed. It is a well-known fact that Earth and Mars both orbit the Sun. We're going to be comparing water density, Mars density, Earth density, and iron density. The water density is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Mars's density is 3.93 grams per cubic centimeter. Earth's density is 5.51 grams per cubic centimeter. Iron's density is 7.874 grams per cubic centimeter. Here we're comparing Mars's volumes with Earth's, moons, and Phobos's. Mars is 7.5 moons, Earth is 50 moons, and Phobos is 1 by 4 million moons. The maximum distance between Earth and Mars is 401 million miles, whereas the minimum distance between Earth and Mars is 54.6 million miles. The maximum travel time from Earth to Mars is 260 days. The minimum travel time from Earth to Mars is 130 days. Basketball players would have an advantage on Mars because now they can jump higher, which enables them to do tricks like the famous slam dunk. Thank you.